Welcome one and all who have traveled here from near and far on this beautiful, beautiful day. We are gathered here today to witness the sacred union of Elizabeth and Ross. We stand here to honor and celebrate the love shared between them as they come together to start their new life with a solemn vow, surrounded by their closest family and friends. Both Elizabeth and Ross, thank you for your presence here today, and now ask for your blessing, encouragement, and lifelong support for their decision to be married. This ceremony celebrates the beginnings of your marriage. It's a journey of love, understanding, perseverance, and dedication to one another that lasts through time. As we stand here today to mark this occasion, we remember what matters most. It's not the ceremony itself, but the love and companionship that you will be continuing to share throughout.
Christopher. Sometimes I wonder how I got so lucky, just a small-time blood elf from Azeroth, that you chose to love me. You not only accept my shenanigans and my antics, you embrace and even encourage them. You have given up a lot for me, from part of your suitcase to half of your fries to being the funniest one in the relationship.
No.
I can't wait to see what our future holds, from experiencing new things just the two of us to starting a family of our own.
Yeah. We wrote our own vows, so I am gonna have to talk. But I think I'm okay now. I think I can hang on. I can hang on long enough to get through that part the rest of the night. Voiceless.
Mine's not that good. Elizabeth, long before we were Liz and Ross, there were Celia, Fate, and Anastasia, heroes of Azeroth. We're both nerds, by the way. We've always been a duo, and even though it took me a while to realize you were more than just a friend, 2 shots of Fireball and a simple message, hey, you got a minute to chat, changed everything. Best decision ever.
Today I promise you to not judge you when you eat pizza 4 days in a row when I'm out of town. To always curse at the video game when you die because it was bullshit. To stand beside you and cheer for LSU, the second best football team. Go Bucks. To make our families uncomfortable with our turtle kisses. And to always heal you even when you make me mad.
Now, here in front of family and friends, I promise to spend my life with you. You're my best friend, and I will always love you, care for you, and support you. I promise to strive every day to do the best I can for you, and most importantly, I promise absolutely no half-stepping.
I will forever be your ally in conflict and your biggest fan, to encourage you when you are second-guessing yourself, and your consolation in disappointment, your comrade in adventure, your accomplice in mischief, to grow old but not grow up, to be your ride or die and never sidestep, to always riot and forever send it. I promise to choose you today and every day, not because I have to, but because I want to.
All right,
power vested in me. I now pronounce you husband and wife. Ross, you may kiss your bride. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. and Mrs. Ross Fox.